Good Monday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is the day, hours before we have a major blowout storm here, a blizzard of 2017, the winter storm mode that the Garden State Weather, everybody's in this storm mode right now. Major impacts on all areas affected by this major blizzard winter storm coming up during late tonight right through Wednesday. We'll get into that in just a moment. I'm calling this the blizzard of 2017 for many reasons, because it will have blizzard-like conditions, if not for several hours on Tuesday morning into the afternoon across all of Long Island, New York City, northeastern coastal New Jersey, and all of the shorelines here of the Jersey coast now are expanded in that, and we'll get into it in just a moment. And we have so many watches, warnings, and advisories across the region. We'll just try to break this down. First of all, the blizzard warnings that were in effect or upgraded last night for northeastern coastal New Jersey into all of the city and Long Island have now been also expanded across the coast. So in places like New Brunswick, and also in cities like Freehold, Sandy Hook, Jackson, Long Beach Island, western Monmouth, eastern Monmouth, Ocean, coastal Ocean, blizzard warnings in effect from tonight right through 6 p.m. tomorrow. Heavy snow and strong winds. Total snow accumulations are going to vary. In places like New Brunswick, we could be dealing with accumulations of 18 to 24 inches, and widely spread between 10 to 14 inches or even higher across places like Freehold, Sandy Hook, Jackson, and Long Beach Island. Of course, the major story will be the northeast winds, 25 to 35 miles an hour, gusting up to 50 miles an hour. 1/4 mile or less visibility at times, temperatures in the mid to the lower 30s throughout the region. Now, if we go further into northern New Jersey, we just basically have, and this is not basically, we have a winter storm warning still in effect now for all of this area. And we're expecting accumulations of snow better than a foot to a foot and a half, nearly up to 2 feet in spots is not unlikely or will be uncommon. Heavy snow, strong winds, eastern Pennsylvania, much of northern New Jersey. This is a winter storm warning. This is in effect from tonight, again, through 6 p.m. on Tuesday. Again, the impacts of heavy snow, many roads impassable, may produce widespread power outages due to the weight of the snow, and that it would be included across the entire forecast region. So we're going to hook you in with the power outage grids as well in this broadcast as we go through this storm here. Okay, now for places just to the south, we still have a winter storm warning in effect, not to be minored out here in Philadelphia, Millville, Hamilton. This is basically for Burlington, Cumberland, and southeastern Burlington, Delaware, and Philadelphia. Again, we're dealing with 8 to 12 inches of snow, heavy snow, and strong winds. And this will make for widespread power outages. Wind gusts northeast 15 to 25, gust up to 35, 1/2 mile or less visibility at times. So this is not included in a blizzard warning. However, that may change as well. And of course, if we get into Cape May here and Atlantic City, Ocean City and Atlantic City here, we're dealing with a winter weather advisory from 8 p.m. this evening until 6 p.m. tomorrow. Again, 2 to 4 inches. We're expecting snow to begin this evening, becoming moderate at times throughout the night into midday Tuesday. Snow will diminish by late Tuesday evening. Of course, we'll be mixing in with some freezing precipitation as well as rain. The snow will lead to slippery roads. Northeast winds 25 to 35, gust up to 50. Temperatures holding in the upper 20s to mid 30s throughout the entire event for the entire region, and visibilities 1/2 mile or less. We have high wind watches and high wind warnings here in effect. Storm warnings are now in effect until 1 o'clock on the ocean fronts here from Monmouth all the way down to the Delaware Bay here. We also have storm warnings in effect until Tuesday night across the central and southeastern portions of Long Island Sound all the way out to Montauk Point. That would include the north shore of Long Island as well. So once again, dangerous, potentially dangerous winter storm with lots of activity in terms of snowfall and wind and surf, as well as beach erosion, coastal flooding, and of course we could be dealing with power outages as well. For northeastern coastal New Jersey into the city proper, there is a blizzard warning. It's in effect now from midnight tonight through midnight Tuesday night. And this is going to be for heavy snow, blizzard conditions, 18 to 24 inches. Snowfall rates tomorrow, 2 to 4 inches per hour Tuesday morning into tomorrow afternoon. That's really going to pile up. Roads nearly impassable, probably a state of emergency already. Schools are already closing, and that page on New Jersey 12 will be refreshing throughout the day. Again, the timing of this late tonight through tomorrow. Temperatures holding in the mid-20s, northeast winds at 20 to 30, gust up to 40, and 1/4 mile or less, a near zero visibility at times during the day tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon. Now, for the rest of New York and Long Island here, again, blizzard conditions in effect, same areas. We're dealing with 12 to 20 inches of snow. 2 to 4 inches per hour tomorrow morning into the afternoon, near zero visibility at times. Northeast winds 25 to 35, gust up to 40 to 55 miles an hour on Tuesday. This storm is really ramping up quite deeper on model guidance and observations this morning as well. Of course, we'll be keeping you updated throughout the day right here on GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Make sure you have proper battery supply backups, plenty of food, plenty of water, the usual standards. We haven't seen a storm like this in several years now, so it really behooves you to get out there early and get all your preparations in order, because nobody will be going anywhere across the entire tri-state region during the day on Tuesday, possibly not even into early Wednesday.